Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show you how to build this loading animation using just HTML and CSS. So let's start. Let us create a folder named loading animation. Let's open this is on VS Code. Let us create a file index.html. Yeah, let us give it a title loading animation. Here in the body we'll have one section. It will have class wrapper. Inside this section we'll have one div with class loader. Here we will have multiple divs and with class loading to one, and let us copy this div for that. We'll have 4 such divs with different name 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's our HTML part. Now let us add CSS. Now let us create a file named style.css. Styles. Yeah, it's okay. Now let us link this style sheet to our HTML. So link style sheet. Actually, close this. After this, let us add CSS. Now let us select all elements and add some style, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box. Now let's take body. There in body we'll add background. Well, we can add anything, RGB, or no, let's not take RGB. Let's take hexadecimal dash. Yeah, can change. You can give color of your own, but I will prefer my own. You can change according to you. And yeah, after this, now let's check it's our file is working fine or not. Yeah, okay, CSS is connected. Now let's take our wrapper. Here you will take display flags, justify content, center, align item, center, minimum height 100 VH, and after this we'll take wrapper. Yeah, after this we'll take wrapper dot loader, which is inside the wrapper. Here we'll again take display flex. If you justify content will be space evenly. Yeah. After this padding, here top button will be 0 pixel and left right 20 pixel. After this, loading background will be triple F, and width I will give it 30 pixel and height 30 pixel as well, and border radius will be 50 pixel, and margin will give it top bottom will be 0 and left right will be 10 pixel. After that let us add some keyframe animation here. Create at the keyframe, load at 0%, will add width 30 pixel. Okay, check it out here. Width will be 30 pixel. When it is 0%, and height will be 30 pixel. And after that, and when after 50%, we'll give width 20 pixel and height 20 pixel. So we have to add animation to this loading here. For this animation, here we'll have unload 8 second is infinite. After this, we'll be designing out the loader. Here loading, it is 1, it contains 1, then it will animate delay of 0.3 second. And let us copy this and add here and below here. So, and change this one footnote, and your animation delay will be 4 seconds, and here it will be 3, and here delay will be 5 seconds. So now let's reload and check if it is working. Yeah, so our project is working fine, and that's all for today. I hope you like it. If you did, just like the video, and if you want more videos like this, just subscribe. And if you want me to cover any other topic in future, just give me a comment below, and hope to see you next time. Bye.